What's up, y'all? It's your boy Shoo. Back at it with the positivity. I'm back at it with the health. I'm also back with another video. Today, I'm ready to be making some guacamole for y'all. Now, I make my guacamole. I like make guacamole a little bit different from other people. Always like to put my own like little spin on things. So yeah, I like to put my own little spin on things. I don't know. I guess I just like to do things a little bit different. I don't like to be so uniform in my things that I do. So let y'all been showing support, y'all been subscribing. Let's get to the video. So as you can see, I already got the avocados in there. I already crushed up I already cut the avocado in half and like squeezed the avocado seed, but I already squeezed like the like the part of avocado that you can eat. I already put it in a bowl. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me read off. Y'all know I got my notes. So let me read off some things about avocados for y'all that can be beneficial. Avocados have vitamin B. Y'all know that's one of my favorite. That's my favorite vitamin. Vitamin K, which promotes cardiovascular health and stops from blood clotting. Vitamin E, which helps which is good for your skin, and it can stop free radicals from attacking like some of the essential acids, fatty acids in your body that help your skin stay youthful looking. Vitamin C, which is like it can prevent it helps with your skin. Also it helps with like with wounds and things like that. Can all and vitamin C, a lot of one thing that vitamin C is known for is it's like a very strong antioxidant. What it does is it attaches to your immune system and it gives it like a boost. It's like it put your immune system on like steroids. That's what I like to say. Back to what we were saying about vitamin C. Vitamin C is it attaches onto your immune system, and it gives and it boosts your nerve and it boosts your immune system. For me, I like to say it's like a steroid for vitamin C because it gives it like a extra. It's like a steroid for your immune system because it gives it like an extra kick. Also, avocados, they are like a natural body cleanser, and it constantly it does things like send you to the bathroom, and while you're going to the bathroom, your body is releasing toxins that it might have. So yeah, that's avocados. As y'all see, I got the avocados in here right now. So yeah, let's move on to I think we can move on. I think we can move on to eggplant. Let me see. Can we move on to eggplant? Yeah. Eggplant. Let's move on to eggplant. Eggplant prevents anemia, which can be a detriment to like overall health, and it can improve brain function. That's the eggplant. Y'all see, I chopped the eggplant. I like pre-chopped the eggplant. If y'all want to see, yeah, I pre-chopped the eggplant. So yeah. Add it all in. There we go with the eggplant. Next, after we do eggplant, let's do pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains 7 grams of protein, vitamin B, vitamin A. Vitamin A, if I haven't told y'all already, vitamin A has like a big thing to do. It's an antioxidant, and it has and it can really help with your skin and your eyes, with your sight and your skin. And it supports pumpkin seeds, they support cardiovascular health. So let's add some pumpkin seeds. Another name for pumpkin seeds is pepitas. You know. There we go. There we go. Next, let's move on to sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds help fight osteoporosis. If y'all don't know what osteoporosis is a condition where your bones can be very brittle and weak. And yeah, that it helps prevent that, or it helps fight against that. It protects the thyroid, and thyroid disorder can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and other abnormal body temperatures. Let's not forget about the pumpkin seeds. Let's get the pumpkin seeds out. You gotta watch how many sunflower seeds are. If I said pumpkin seeds in the beginning, these are sunflower seeds. You gotta watch how many sunflower seeds you use, because if like it's certain oil in sunflower seeds that they can turn into fat if like you use too much sunflower seeds. Yeah, I said it can lead to, yeah. Also, sunflower seeds improve skin health with vitamin E. Vitamin E is like something that protects free radicals from exterminating like the important fatty acids that you might have in your body, such as like omega-3 and other fatty acids and lipids. That help like the fatty acids that the free radicals might be trying to attack is is certain ones that help keep your skin looking youthful. Next we got walnuts. Walnuts, they promote healthy skin, helps with sleep, and produces melatonin. Melatonin is like a sleep hormone that regulates sleep. One ounce of walnuts contain 18 grams of calories, carbohydrates, and fats. Omega-3 and walnuts also have like omega-3 fatty acids in them. And it helps, and it works as like a mood booster. It helps maintain depression and stress. Okay. Oh yeah, another thing vitamin E can do, it can help promote hair growth. If y'all didn't know that, that's just like a little side note. It can help promote hair growth. I didn't know that. Oh yeah, another thing, somebody was saying that like I should use like a measuring cup and things like that. The reason why I don't use like a measuring cup all the time, because like I make a lot of my food in bulk. This could last me like 2 or 3 days, you know. So do we got walnuts, we got avocados. Next up we have tarragon. Tarragon contains calcium. Tarragon is a herb, if you didn't know. Tarragon contains calcium for healthy bones, vitamin A. We discussed vitamin A helps with skin health and eye health. Vitamin C, we already discussed with vitamin C and how it works with the immune system. It can help prevent It can help prevent diabetes. It supports the cardiovascular system, lowers blood sugar, contains vital lipids, and reduces mouth and tooth pain. And relieves anxiety because like because of the calm it like makes you very calm. Because it's a herb. Let me see some of my notes. I can just give it to you. Yeah, I said it relieves anxiety and reduces body. Basically, it reduces like microbes on the body, which is basically like germs that might be like on the skin, and it reduces them. And it can boost appetite for like and people that might be like that might have anorexia and things like that. It can help boost their appetite. And it can yeah, it maintains the health of the female reproductive tract. I would suggest not taking it or eating it like that if you breastfeeding or if you pregnant. So yeah, let's add the tarragon. Got it. And that is enough. That's enough tarragon. Yeah. Don't want too much of that. Next up, we got carrots. Carrots is they have vitamin A in them. A lot of the orange vegetables, they have vitamin A in them, such as like potatoes and carrots, so on and so forth. Yeah, they have like vitamin A, and they good for like skin and eyes. As we said, vitamin A, and it's like skin and eyes. You see, you got the baby carrots, you know, baby carrots. I kind of like the baby. I like the baby carrots actually. Open. I should have opened these before. I should have opened them before. Next up, we have cranberries. Cranberries have vitamin C and vitamin A in them. Me, I got the fresh cranberries right now. If you haven't ate fresh cranberries before, they take some getting used to, but they sweet and tangy at the same time. I really like them. I really do like them. A lot of people that certain people don't like them. I really like them. I like them a lot, you know. To me, they taste so like clean and fresh. Like, I guess because I'm used to eating all of the other, like the dry cranberries. So next up after the cranberries, we have olive oil. Olive oil helps 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 like keep the genes in your body that are linked to like cancer. It helps maintain them in your body, and it helps prevent strokes. Also, it assists in protection against heart disease, helps against Alzheimer's, reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, and it has anti-cancer properties. So let's get the olive oil in there. Gotta watch how much oil you put in anything, even if it's olive oil, which is one of the healthiest oils. That's enough. So next we have black pepper next to finish it all off. Black pepper it like treats the respiratory system, and it promotes bioavailability. Bioavailability, a lot of people don't really hear that word. Bioavailability is basically helps your body synthesize all of the nutrients that you just ate. So that's like, it's why it's good to sprinkle like black pepper up on top of the things that you eat, especially if you're trying to like get the nutrients that's in your body. So like especially if you're trying to get the nutrients that you just ate in your food, it helps it helps your body break down the nutrients that you just ate. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed, then do that right now. I will be more consistent. I dropped 2 videos this week. That's very consistent for me. I'm going to be way more consistent. So like if you haven't liked already, and peace to all.